Menya abana b'ingagi bazitwa amazina n'imiryango bakomokamo. Iminsi barirwa ku ntoki ngo abana 24 b'ingagi bahabwa amazina. Uyu muhango ugiye kuba ku nshuro yawo 17, uzaba hifashishijwe ikoranabuhanga mu kwirinda gukwirakwiza coronavirus. Kuri iyi nshuro abana bazitwa amazina barimo abavutse kuva muri Mutarama 2020 kugeza muri Nyakanga 2021. Umuhango wo kwita izina uteganyijwe kuwa 24 Nzeri 2021 uzanyura ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zitandukanye nka Twitter, YouTube ndetse no kuri televiziyo Rwanda. Muri uyu mwaka abazita amazina barimo ibyamamare muri siporo, abafatanyabikorwa mu bukerarugendo no kubungabunga ibidukikije, inshuti z'u Rwanda n'abandi. Urwego rw'igihugu rw'iterambere RDB ntiruratangaza ku mugaragaro abo bantu. Kugeza ubu amazina 2 niyo amaze kumenyekana ndetse azavamo rimwe rizahabwa umwe mu bana b'ingagi bazitwa uyu mwaka. Aya mazina yifashishijwe mu irushanwa ryahariwe urubyiruko ndetse ryabaye hifashishijwe ikoranabuhanga. Iri rushanwa ryatangiye kwa 16 Nzeri binyujijwe ku rukuta rwa Twitter rwo kwita izina pick a name for this cute baby gorilla that will be named in this year. Hashtag kwita izina and stand a chance to win Arsenal and PSG Jets. Simply follow kwita izina and reply to these tweets with the name you'd like to give to the baby gorilla. Aha ni kuri platform yo kuri Twitter mu kwita izina, aho hari irushanwa ryakorwaga. Iri rushanwa ryatangiye kwa 16 Nzeri binyujijwe ku rukuta rwa Twitter rwo kwita izina, aho urubyiruko rwasabwe guhitamo izina rimwe muri abiri ndetse abatsinze bakazahabwa imyambaro y'amakipe ya Arsenal yo mu Bwongereza na Paris Saint-Germain yo mu Bufaransa asanzwe yamamaza ubukerarugendo bw'u Rwanda. Amazina bahawe guhitamo rimwe n'ikabeho, live longer na mudasumbwa, outstanding. Iri rushanwa ryafunzwe kuwa 5 tariki ya 17 Nzeri 2021 ahagana saa 5 n'iminota 59 z'ijoro. Amakuru tuvana ku mbuga nkoranyambaga ku rubuga rumenyerewe nk'igihe yamenyekanye ko abantu 30 ari bo batoranyijwe ndetse batangira guhabwa ibihembo kwa mbere tariki ya 20 Nzeri 2021 ahazifashishwa imbuga nkoranyambaga ndetse n'ibitangazamakuru bitandukanye kubibagezaho. Umuhango wo kwita izina uzaba tariki isanzwe yizihirizwaho umunsi mpuzamahanga wahariwe ingagi tariki ya 24 Nzeri. Ni umunsi wagiyeho bigendeye ku bikorwa bya Diana Fossey, umunyamerikakazi wariyeguriye kwita ku buzima bw'ingagi uzwi nka Nyiramacibiri, by'umwihariko ingagi zo mu misozi. Kwa 24 Nzeri 1967 nibwo yashinze Karisoke Research Center yari igamije gukora ubushakashatsi ku ngagi zo mu birunga i Musanze mu majyaruguru y'u Rwanda. Mbere y'umunsi wo kwita izina, RDB yateguye ibikorwa bubahiriza birimo ingendo zo kwakira abikorera bo hanze bafasha u Rwanda guteza imbere isura yarwo ku isi, kwakira abanyamakuru bakora mu rwego rw'ubukerarugendo ndetse n'igikorwa kizahuriza hamwe abantu batandukanye cyateguwe na kaminuza ya RLU hagamijwe kuganira ku ruhare rwa buri wese mu kubungabunga urusobe rw'ibinyabuzima. Umuhango wo kwita izina abana b'ingagi ni umwihariko w'u Rwanda watangiye muri 2005 mu rwego rwo kwerekana agaciro ingagi zifitiye igihugu no gushimira abaturage baturiye parike y'ibirunga, abita ku bayigana n'abaganga bita ku ngagi. Kuva icyo gihe kandi nibwo hatangijwe gahunda yo gusaranganya umusaruro uva mu bukerarugendo hagamijwe gutera inkunga imishinga ikorera mu duce duturiye pariki zirimo Akagera, Nyungwe, Ibirunga n'iheruka gutahwa ya Gishwati na Mukura. Kuva muri 2005 nibura miliyari zisaga 6 n'igice z'amafaranga y'u Rwanda zashowe mu mishinga 780 mu ngero zirimo ubuhinzi, ibikorwa remezo, uburezi, kubakira abatishoboye, kubaka amavuriro, guteza imbere ubworozi, ubuvumvu n'ubukorikori ndetse n'ibindi. Kuva mu myaka 16 ishize abana b'ingagi barenga 328 nibo bamaze kwitwa amazina muri uyu muhango ngarukamwaka. Muri uyu mwaka nubwo ibikorwa bimwe na bimwe byakomwe mu nkokora n'icyorezo cya coronavirus, imishinga igera kuri 30 irimo y'ubuhinzi n'ibikorwa remezo yashowemo miliyari 700 z'amafaranga y'u Rwanda. Urwego rw'ubukerarugendo rwinjije miliyari 121 z'amadolari y'Amerika mu 2020, mu gihe muri 2019 rwari rwarinjije miliyari 498 z'amadolari y'Amerika. Uku niko ibijyanye n'ubukerarugendo bihagaze muri no minsi. Ukaba wakomeje gukurikirana amafoto, amashusho y'abana b'ingagi bagera kuri 24 bazitwa izina. Tugushimiye kuba babanye natwe kuri chaîne yacu Baba TV. Mugira amahoro.
Imikino ya East African yarimo abantu barenga 3000 bari bavuye mu bihugu byize East African Community kandi bacumbikirwa bose hano mu mujyi wa Musanze. Yakuba President Repubulika, kubera izi nyungu tuzi neza ko ziva ku bukerarugendo, tuzakomeza gukangurira abaturage gucunga neza no kwiteza imbere, ariko cyane cyane no kubakangurira kugira isuku ituma uwinjira mu Rwanda yinjira i Kigali n'uzaba yinjire mu Bugesera mu minsi iza azayagera.
Umuntu ashobora kwibaza ubundi iyi pariki imara iki abanyarwanda by'umwihariko abatuye aka karere ka Musanze
n'abandi dufatanyije kugira ngo mu minsi imbere ikibazo
cy'umuyobozi wa pariki y'igihugu y'Ibirunga akaba ari Bwana Uwingeri Prosper. Mwaramutse Prosper?
Mwaramutse neza.
Igihugu y'Ibirunga, ndagira ngo uduhe ishusho y'iyi pariki.
Murakoze cyane. Iyi parike y'Ibirunga ishusho yayo ni nziza cyane. Ubu ngubu twita ku nshuro ya 15 turishimira ko ingagi zikomeje kwiyongera. Zakomeje ubu ibarura twakoze ubushize byagaragaje ko ziyongere ku kigereranyo cya 26.5%, bikaba zikomeje ziyongera cyane, kandi ndetse n'imiryango mpuzamahanga yagaragaje ko ubu ngubu arizo zonyine nguge zifite imiryango iri kwiyongera mu gihe ziri ku isi zose ziri kugenda zishira. Ikindi twishimira ni uko ubukerarugendo muri iyi myaka bwakomeje kugenda butera imbere, kandi uko butera imbere ariko na ya gahunda yo gusangira umutungo uturuka ku bukerarugendo ugenda wiyongera. Ubu ngubu mu gihe twatangiraga kwita amazina ingagi muri 2005 twatangaga na miliyoni zitarenze 20. Ubu ngubu kuri parike nationale y'Ibirunga gusa turatanga hafi zirenze miliyoni zijya kuri 600, kandi uretse izo miliyoni zirenze 600 dufite n'ibindi bikorwa by'iterambere, amahoteli, ibikorwa by'abaturage ubwabo, ku buryo inzego zose muri kano karere ko no mu Rwanda hose ubukerarugendo bwatumye tuzamura ubufatanye n'abaturage mu kubungabunga parike. Ubu ngubu abaturage baturiye parike nationale y'Ibirunga mu turere uko ari 4 mu mirenge 12 mu ntara 2 yo mu majyaruguru n'iy'uburengerazuba, bose n'abafatanya ibikorwa bagiye mu mashyirahamwe, kandi ayo mashyirahamwe n'ibikorwa bafite byose bishingiye kuri parike nasiyonari y'ibirunga.
iyi parike nasiyonari y'ibirunga rero umwaka ushize ahabaruwe ko yinjirije u Rwanda miliyoni 20 z'amadolari ya Amerika, twayashyira mu manyarwanda bikaba hafi miliyari 18. ndagira ngo utubwire aya mafaranga cyangwa se aya madovize izi ngagi zinjiriza u Rwanda agera ku baturage gute? Ibyo ari byo byose atabageraho ntabwo aba bantu tubona inyuma yacu bishimye gutya byashoboka ko baba bameze.
Cyaho mu birunga ni nta mwaga. He's a gentle giant. The king. Ndavuga umwami w'ibirunga. Le grand roi des volcans. The king of the volcanoes. He walks slowly and softly.
The last 15 years have been a journey of progressive growth, journey of education, reaching and including the community. It's not just us now, it's everyone. Look around you. We all gathered here for the 15th time in a row, naming the newborn baby gorillas. That is a sign that everyone is involved.
And I am thankful. I am thankful for the protection. Now we have the gorilla's habitat. This gives us confidence to wake up every day and spend glorious mornings trekking in the wild, nurturing, protecting, and watching. What a great feeling to see our efforts rewarded. Nature back at ease, and the faces of our bewildered guests as they too enjoy these beautiful animals. Economy and the growing together.
I am honored to have contributed to the conservative threats reduction. The joy of looking at these majestic creatures, the joy of our visitors looking at you all here gives me great hope that these amazing gorillas will be loved, will be valued, will be enjoyed for generations to come.
inshingano za buri wese kubibungabunga. We are representing the Swahili-speaking community. Asili sio mahali pa kutembelea, ni nyumbani. Kwa hivyo mimi huchagua uhifadhi.
nkaba nishimiye rero kuza kwita umwana w'ingagi. Uwo mwana w'ingagi
twabona n'akanya ko gushima nyakubahwa perezida wa repubulika kubw'iki gikorwa. Umwana akubaka umuryango wa musirikari, umubyeyi witwa Izihirwa, nkaba nahisemo kumwita inkoramutima.
To you, the first baby gorilla of 2019. Her name is Ngando. She comes from the Isimba family. Her mother is Izura and gave birth to her on the 23rd of September 2018. Now she, like everybody here, represents an opportunity for the future. She represents hope. She represents the chance for a better world if we embrace sustainable tourism and take the example that has been set here in Rwanda. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeremy. Next we have Miss Madeline.
Murakoze nyakubahwa perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda kumpa ijambo. Umwana w'ingagi ngiye kwita muri uyu mwanya avuka mu muryango w'amahoro. Nyina yitwa Mudahinyuka. Izina namuhitiyemo ni isanzure. Bisobanura yuko ingagi dufite mu cyanya cy'ibirunga nta mupaka zifite. Ibyo bigaterwa nuko ku bufatanye bw'u Rwanda, Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo na Uganda nk'ibihugu bihuriye ku cyanya cy'ibirunga aricyo ingagi zibamo, bigeze ku ntera ishimishije mu bikorwa byo gufatanya kubungabunga icyanya cy'ibirunga. Murakoze cyane.
Thank you. Next we have Ambassador Ron Adams.
Your Excellency, President Paul Kagame, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Murahu, Murakoze Chane Kubanga Ntu Miye. It is a great honor for me to be here today. I'm bringing greetings from the people of Israel. We share a lot. Both our peoples, Jewish and Rwandans, had gone through similar painful history of genocide, but fortunately we rose beyond the tragedy, the ashes and darkness, and rebuilt our new nations. Rwanda's incredible journey of a visionary rebuilding under the leadership of President Kagame is an inspiration to us, to the African community, and to the whole world. I am bringing a message of bond and peace on an unbreakable tie between our countries and peoples. And that is why I chose to name my baby gorilla a male, family Sabinio, born September 24th, mother Umurinzi. I decided to name the name Ijihango, which is a covenant. His nickname will be Berit, which is the Hebrew name of covenant. The word Berit is mentioned in the Bible 283 times. In connection to the Testament, the contract between humans and God, and the conciliation and peace among people, and the unwritten pact between human and nature. Igihango represents the unbreakable bond between the gorillas and their guardians. That's a strong message for us all, the modern age covenant of conserving the fauna and the animal kingdom. Shalom, goodbye, umusi mweza.
Thank you, Ambassador. Next we have Tony Adams.
Forgive me, not used to address. It's a bit tricky. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, people of Rwanda, it looks a bit like, I love the Arsenal shirts everywhere, and I loved trekking 8 hours up to see my baby gorilla yesterday, and he was beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful, and he's probably right that Visit Rwanda that I've named the gorilla. And I've been having nightmares about this name, but I'll try and get it right. It's Rwanda. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. And our last name in this category.
Excellencies, honorable ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to be here and to have been selected as one of this year's gorilla namers. My foundation recently acquired the old property of the Belgian school in Kigali, and our aim is to transform it into East Africa's largest hub for entrepreneurship and impact. Today, I'm naming a baby gorilla Irembo, the gateway. And I cannot think of a more appropriate name as a symbol for our collaboration as we embark on this journey to create a gateway for Rwandan innovators to reach a global network and the innovators of the world to reach Rwanda. Many of the core challenges Rwanda and the region is facing, whether in environmental, agriculture, education, or employment sector, it will only be solved through innovation. We want solutions developed here in Rwanda to spread to the rest of the world. We want to ensure that entrepreneurs and innovators in Stockholm, London, and elsewhere learn from Rwanda's experiences in creating solutions that improve our countries, continents, and the world. We look forward to embarking on this journey together, and I'm most grateful and humbled to receive this honor.
We'll have one of Rwanda's most popular celebrities, Medi, who, yes, I can see Rwandans here excited. He is R&B pop artist here in Rwanda. Our next name in this group is Otara Gunewarden. She's a Sri Lankan business person and a philanthropist, and she's used her voice to challenge the boundaries of complacency and forging new ground for women, for entrepreneurship, and importantly for animal welfare in Sri Lanka. She heads a foundation, the Otara Foundation, which has brought a lot of much needed publicity to conservation and animal welfare. The foundation invests in reforestation, wildlife protection.
Honestly, try honesty, no. Just tell me what I want to hear, 'cause it could save us. Let me fly, I've got my hopes, but I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Crashed and burned 100 times, I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone, but I just can't let you know. honestly, try honestly.